Hello everyone and welcome to this very special video from my side. Special purely because it involves you. Now what happens is a lot of people think about joining an institute to prepare for the CAT, and in spirit I think it's a good decision purely because इससे ना एक regularity मिल जाती है to your preparation. You get to prepare with a lot of other people and सारा का सारा चीज़ तुमको एक जगह पे मिल जाता है instead of you searching and hunting for things here and there. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए institute I think has a lot of benefits if you look at specifically when it comes to CAT preparation. But not every institute is good, not every center is good, not every faculty is good, and good is a subjective term. तो तुम्हारे लिए शायद वो better हो सकता था, right? That's basically what a lot of people think. So to understand what is it that you think would have been good for you, or what do you think will be better for the aspirants who are coming and going to join these institutes, I have floated a survey. So the link to that particular survey is there in the description box below. Do fill out this form. It will take hardly 2 minutes of your time to fill this form. But इससे जो insights मिलेंगे that I think will be helpful to a lot of people who are planning to join the institutes in the months of May, June, July, August and so on, जो peak season होता है when it comes to people joining institutes. तो वहाँ पे अपने को काफ़ी सारे इंसाइट्स मिल जाएंगे एज टू व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डज द इंस्टीट्यूट स्टैंड फॉर, क्या उसके अंदर प्रोमिसेस होते हैं, कैसे वो डिलीवर करते हैं, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आर दी और हु एग्जैक्टली आर दी फैकल्टी मेंबर्स दैट हैव हैड अ पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट ऑन यू. क्या चीज़ें थी जो शायद थोड़ी बेटर होती तो यू वुड हैव फेल्ट स्लाइटली बेटर और इट वुड हैव बीन वैल्यू फॉर मनी फॉर यू. तो सारी चीज़ें उसके अंदर हैं. तो मेक श्योर दैट यू फिल दैट फॉर्म अप, circulate it among your friends as well in case you feel that this will add value to the future batch of aspirants. So it is one way in which you will be contributing back to this community. And इसमें कुछ there is no personal involvement that I have from my end in this particular bit. I will just be taking all the results that are there. Of course I will be adding some subjective insights based on my experience of the last 17-18 years. जितना टाइम मैंने सेक्टर के अंदर स्पेंड किया है, I also have some insights to give कि क्या चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. So fill that form and we'll see how the results are and which exactly is the institute that is preferred by a lot of people. तो ये चीज़ें हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे maybe within a week or so. So stay tuned for that video and of course once again fill that form, circulate it among your student groups and so on and so forth, and let us help us reach out to a lot of people so that we get a fair representation of all the institutes and we understand what exactly does every institute have to offer.